guys, so we just arrived at the Floor Decor store in the city of Carson. We're going to be meeting with Steve, getting a tour of the entire facility and giving you guys some insight on products that they have and services that they offer. So let's get started.
Floor Decor is a hard surface flooring store with an incredible selection at everyday low prices. They buy directly from the source, so their prices are extremely low. They also have the largest in-stock selection for top quality floors at rock bottom prices. They also have free design services where they pair you up with an expert to develop your next project. Their designers will work with you one-on-one to help find the inspiration and great products to bring that project to life. Welcome to Flooring Galore. There's absolutely every single shade, every single cut that you can think of when it comes to wood, engineered wood, bamboo, laminate, and tile. Now the selection is large, so you want to make sure that you talk to a staff member so that they're able to help you choose out the appropriate flooring for the space that you need. If the area is high traffic or if there's going to be a lot of water, you want to make sure that you get a flooring that is going to withstand all of that. They also have the ability to cut the engineered flooring into different patterns, and here is the hexagon pattern that has become very popular. Also, these signs next to each single flooring type will give you more information and also pricing. Now, if you are thinking of doing a tile, there are larger slabs and also porcelain tile that is able to be used both inside and outside of your home. It's amazing because it comes in different shades, and particularly this one that looks more like cement has been extremely popular. There are also tile flooring that looks a lot like regular wood flooring, but it's tile and it's more durable, again, in high traffic areas. And if you're a DIYer, don't worry, Floor Decor has you covered with a step-by-step worksheet that's absolutely free. Make sure to mention my name, Dianna Ayala, talk to Philip or Steve and let them know that I sent you. You'll be able to get free complimentary samples up to $25 in value per each sample. This way you'll be able to see what they look like in your space. They have awesome selections, and this one's from Spain. Now they also have machinery that's available to purchase, which can help you with your installation, such as cutting down tile. They also have pre-mixed grout in different color options, and they have butcher block countertops, which are extremely popular. They also have vanity sets, sinks, and bath accessories to help you finish and add those touches to your space. They have an amazing selection of brass tile, also penny, herringbone, hexagon. All of these are in stock and ready to pick up. They also have amazing tile that has a lot of texture that would fit well in Spanish style homes with bold colors, nice texture, just a lot of selection to choose from. There are also more larger pieces that are already pieced together that can take minimal grout that really bring an effect These can be also made out of marble or just other stones. And remember that the free design sessions are absolutely complimentary. So you're able to talk to a designer that will help you conceptualize the different options and styles that are available to fit your kitchen, your bathrooms, your showers. And once you're ready to pick up your order, make sure to pull up through the rear side of the building, as this is where you walk in and talk to a customer service rep, which will be able to help you pick up your order.
Just wrapped up checking out the Floor and Decor warehouse here in the city of Carson. It's amazing just how much inventory they have that's available, and their staff is super knowledgeable. They're able to walk with you through the entire store. Their design sessions are free, and if you mention my name and that I sent you, Stephen, the store manager, will be able to help you and provide you samples that are absolutely free, up to $25 per sample. So if that is something that you are looking for your home or for renovations or for a flip, this is definitely going to be the stop that you have to make so that you're able to really see what's available and also what's going to be good in terms of pricing and also just quality for the space that you're looking for. So hopefully you guys found this tour helpful. I'll see you guys next week for another video on this channel. And if you have any questions about real estate, make sure to connect with me. My description is in the box below. I'll see you guys next week for another video here on this channel. Bye.